In this video, I'll guide you through how to update Manager.io, ensuring that your accounting software is running smoothly with the latest features and security updates. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for optimal performance, and today I'll show you exactly how to do just that. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use. Once you've got your browser open, you'll want to head straight to the official download page. Type in manager.io/download in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to the page where you can find the latest version of Manager.io. On this download page, you'll notice a few options available, each corresponding to different operating systems. Take a moment to identify which operating system your computer is currently using. Whether you're on Windows, macOS, or Linux, there's a specific installation file designed just for your system. This step is crucial because downloading the correct file ensures that the update installs smoothly without any compatibility issues. Once you've determined your operating system, go ahead and click on the appropriate download link. Your browser will begin downloading the installation file. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments, so feel free to stretch your legs or grab a cup of coffee while you wait. After the download is complete, you'll need to locate the installation file on your computer. Typically, this file will be found in your Downloads folder unless you've specified otherwise. Navigate to this folder and find the file you just downloaded. It should be named something similar to Manager Setup for Windows or Manager DMG for macOS. Now, it's time to install the update. Double-click on the installation file to begin the process. If you're using Windows, you might see a prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Go ahead and click Yes to proceed. For macOS users, you might need to drag the Manager icon into your Applications folder to install it. It's important to note that this installation process will update your existing version of Manager.io without affecting your data. Your financial records, settings, and customizations will remain intact. The installer will simply overwrite the existing application files with the new ones. Once the installation is complete, you can go ahead and launch Manager.io as you normally would. You should notice that the updated version is now running. Take a moment to explore any new features or improvements that might have been included in this update. And there you have it, your Manager.io software is now up to date. Keeping your software updated is an important part of maintaining a secure and efficient accounting system, so be sure to check for updates regularly. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy-to-follow tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy managing.